Welcome to LUMIX Academy. Today we're going to be looking at location portraits using the LUMIX GH6. When you research your location, make sure there's no sort of carnivals or shows or anything going on that may hinder your shoot. And when you arrive at your location, spin around 360 degrees because the best shot and best location may be just behind you. When you're on location, sometime you may need to have your own lighting. This may be because the sun's too bright and you need to overpower it. So take something nice and compact and portable when you're out there. One of the most important things about any type of photography, wherever you are, is direction with the people you're photographing. So it's important that they understand how you work, and hand signals are a very simple way to get the best out of your models and subjects. Composition is a key part of any image or video. So set up your composition, get that right, and make sure you're happy with it before you start shooting, because it's easy to get distracted once you start filming or taking stills. When you bring all those elements together, the last thing you need to get right is the posing. This works with communication and also the direction, and obviously depending on the location as well. Good posing will give you great images and great content. Once everything's come together and you're actually doing your shoot, enjoy yourself, and everyone who's on set or on location with you, make sure you have a good time, and this will show through in your imagery as well. Thank you for watching LUMIX Academy.
Panasonic.